Hello everybody. In this video we're going to go over how to pull your crews or your individual training hours through the Target Solutions program. To start off with this, you're just going to log into Target Solutions like you normally do. For those who have access to pull reports, which should be all officers, and there's a few select that have this, you will have a new tab up here that says Administration. What you'll do is go ahead and click on Administration, and it brings you to a new screen. Along the left-hand side, you'll see you have a drop-down menu. Now, I have a few more things on here than all of you will have, but those of you who can generate reports should have this Generate Reports button. As you can see, it just expands out as you roll your mouse over it. So we're going to go into Generate Reports. Within this, we have the ability to create multiple types of reports, and to do that, we just click on Generate New Report. We're going to select our report type. We are building out the database so that we can use some of these other report types down the road. But for right now, we're just going to look at all completions. So click on the completions. If you scroll down here to where title, it automatically puts in completions. If you would like to name them, because they do save your reports for future use, you can go ahead and put a title on there for you. We're going to skip past the columns, and we're going to go all the way down here to the completion date range. Oops, sorry about that. What we'll do is there's this month. This will pull everything for the current month. If you want to look at last month, you can click on that, or if you want to type it down to a certain custom date, go ahead and click on custom date. I find that this ensures that I capture all the days of the month and it doesn't cut anything off. Go ahead and click on the date range that you're looking at, and then just click Done up here. If you got it put in correctly, it will show your date range up on top. Under Users, the easiest way to do this is to go to Select Users and find the people on your crew. You can find them by either typing them out up on the top and doing a search, or you can scroll through the list and choose the people that you want to add. You'll go ahead and click Save. You can see that we have 3 users selected. Under Type, we're going to leave that just as all types of training and activities. We'll leave all courses. Last thing you have to do is just hit Run, which will take you back to your report screen. You'll see that you have this rotating bar here, which means that report is loading. Depending on how many entries and how many people you have on there, that can take several minutes to complete. So I have already run this report previously, so we can take a look at it. And what you can see is that it brings in all completions for all the people that you requested in that report. In order to filter it down for one particular person, you can type their name up into the search bar up here on the top right, which now narrows it down to just all one person. You scroll the bar over, you can see the duration of each training, and at this point, you can tally up the hours for each topic. So EMS, you would add up your EMS ones, and physical fitness for crew development, as well as fire and special operations, add those as well. And then you will just add that to the categories on the Excel sheet that Chief McConaughey has sent out. To get out of the report, you can go ahead and just click back over here to Generate Reports. And again, if you needed to go back into and look at a previous report or get back into that same one, you can just open it from here. When you're all done, just go ahead and click back to Home. And that's the entire process for pulling your reports. If you don't have access to this administration or to the report writer, or you're missing types of reports that you need to use, go ahead and contact myself or Chief Norris to add you to that list. Again, any questions, contact me. Thank you.